With the annual fee of $550, weighing it at whopping 18.6 gram, heavy metal card, everyone is wondering, what is the first thing I should do when I get my American Express Platinum credit card? Well, isn't it obvious? First thing you do with this heavy metal card is do a drop test, of course. Alright, let's try this inside here at my desk. Alright, I'm gonna be honest, that wasn't the greatest. Let's try outside here at Hawaiian balcony. Let's see how it sounds. Not that impressive, to be honest. How about metal versus metal? Oof. Damn, that sounded good. Alright, now the fun part is over. Let's get back to the business. The Platinum is one of the most valuable cards out on the market today, with its perks and benefits. And with a little bit of work, you'll be able to maximize its value to its fullest. So let's talk about the most important things you should do with Amex Platinum after you finished with the drop test, obviously. Okay, so the first thing you should do is create an American Express account and download the app, especially if this is your first Amex card like mine was. Now this sounds so obvious, but the reason why I'm mentioning it is because when you apply for this card and get approved, you'll have two options. You can either choose to wait until you receive your card to set up your account, which doesn't take that long. They usually ship it to you within 24 hours. And personally, that's what I chose to do. Another option would be to choose to get the card right now option, which would give you the option to set up and start using your account right away. No matter what option you choose to go with, either should be fine. Just make sure you set up your account if you haven't already. After you created an account, go ahead and add a payment method. It should be under payment section. You're eventually going to have to add it anyway, so why not get it out of the way right now so you won't run into trouble later on. Now that the housekeeping is done, let's talk about the fun part. Go to the benefits tab and start enrolling in all the benefits, and there are a lot of them. Go ahead and enroll in Uber benefits. If you already have an Uber account, just add your Amex Platinum card as a payment method and you should be able to receive that $20 monthly credit for either Uber Eats or Uber Rides. Next, select an airline for the $200 incidental credit. If you don't choose an airline, the credit will not trigger. I still recommend waiting to enroll in this until you know which airline you'll be flying on your next trip, but don't forget to enroll in it before you do. Next, enroll in Saks Fifth Avenue for the semi-annual $100 credit. It's an overly expensive, fancy-ass store, but you will be able to find something nice at or around $50. Please remember, you will have to enroll in this credit as well, otherwise it will not trigger. When you are doing this, you might as well go ahead and enroll in ShopRunner to get that free 2-day free shipping. Next, sign up for the global entry. If you haven't already gotten the global entry or TSA PRECHECK, or even if you have and want to gift it to someone, I recommend you do it because you just have to use your Platinum card to trigger this $100 global entry credit. This application is super easy and I got my credit within a week of the application, so there is no drama. Next, enroll in Priority Pass Select. In order to get access to airport lounges, you will need a separate Priority Pass card, which you can enroll through this page. This application process is super easy and you should receive your card within 7 to 14 days. No problem there. I recommend doing this as soon as possible because there isn't any downside of doing this, with potential of a lot more upside with minimum effort, and those are the things we love to see. Next, enroll in Hilton and Marriott hotel status. I recommend doing this as soon as possible because, again, there's not really any downside with potential of a lot more upside. And you are going to lose this status if you ever cancel the Platinum card anyway, so there's no reason to delay on enrolling on this status. So might as well go ahead and enroll in it right away. Next, Enroll in Avis, Hertz, and National Car Rental status. Again, same as the hotel status, do this as soon as possible. You never know when you'll need it, and when you do, you might already have it set up. Lastly, bonus one I wanted to mention is to make sure to go to Amex offer section and check out any deals and offers that you have been targeted for. You'll get about 100 offers, and based on what makes sense to you, you can add this offer and get some more benefits. Okay, those were the most important ones that I thought needed to be mentioned. The Platinum card does have lots of benefits, but they aren't all activated and easy to use like other credit card issuers. But hopefully this video has helped you a bit. If you have any additional questions, please let me know in the comment section below, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. But that's it for today. See you next time for more videos. Bye bye.